Guys, look what I've got. I've got a giant surprise egg for Easter. Yay! Isn't it so big, green and glittery? Well, I'm gonna open it and see what's inside. Yay! Oh my gosh, there's another egg! So what's coming inside this? And another egg! Wow, it's so big and giant and it goes to small. Okay, ready, set. Nothing.
You didn't get anything?
You get nothing!
Oh, what a ripoff!
Ah! Okay, yay, we got this. This is our surprise.
Is that your prize? A sticker? Inspected by number 27? No. Celebrated. Celebrate what? You didn't put anything in here.
Yeah!
That's so funny. What a disappointment. Oh, well.
So you see, they tricked us because when you shake it, those are inside. So it sounds like something's in there, but there's nothing.
So if you shake it, it felt like there was something in it, right?
Yeah.
But then there was nothing in it. Just 2 more eggs.
Yeah.
And the smallest egg had nothing.
Yeah.
What a bummer. But look at all this stuff you have.
Well, let's put something in it. Yay.
Let's put toys in it. How about some Legos?
Candy toys.
How about some Legos? How about this one, Brent? You think we just built this? Can we fit that in there?
I don't know. I mean, the big green egg.
Yeah, I don't think so. Things like twice as big as that green egg.
I don't think so.
What about we can put this egg in it?
We can put,
What do you have on this table? Right, we got Wonder Woman eggs, Batman eggs.
Peeps marshmallows.
How do we have?
I'm not marshmallows, I'm Oreos.
We have Peeps Oreos,
What I got?
yellow Peeps. Then we get the bunny Peeps in pink, blue, yellow. We got all kinds of different eggs.
Well, that's okay, guys, because I'm going to show you all my Plush Peeps I've got. Yay! So, as you can see, we don't just have the Marshmallow Peeps, but we've also got Plush Peeps. We've got a pink chick peep, a blue chick peep, and a yellow chick peep. And it comes with the marshmallows right here. And we've also got some plush bunnies. Pink plush bunny peep, blue plush bunny peep, and then yellow plush bunny peep. Yay! Which color is your favorite? The pink, blue, or the yellow one? What do you think? I think it's gonna be blue. Boink, boink. Yay, blue. That's my favorite one. Yay. Maybe the yellow. I don't know. What do you think? Here I've got some pink, blue, and yellow bunny peeps. Yay! Yummy! Oh, you got some yellow chick peeps. Okay, so Bendy Bunny, should we start the surprise eggs? Yes? Okay. Well, let's open these surprise eggs. Wait a second, there's one more peep. It's not really a marshmallow or a plush peep though. It's actually a Oreo one. A pink Oreo plush. No, not plush. Why am I saying plush? That doesn't look like a plush to me. So this is a pink Oreo Peeps flavored Peep flavored Oreo. Yay, so yummy. It's a peep cookie. There we go. And here he is. He looks very little, but he's cute. And here he's got some marshmallows. Yay. Boing, boing. Comes with 2 sets of them. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Boing. So what do you think like better, the Marshmallow Peeps or the Plush Peeps? I think I'm gonna go with maybe the Marshmallows because they're yummy. Now let's open this blue one. Boink, little blue chick peep. Marshmallows again. And more. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I love marshmallows. And last but not least, the pink one. We got the pink plush, little pink garden pudding. Yay! Marshmallows, and even more marshmallows. Boink. So there are the plush chick peeps. Now it is a peep battle. Which one is your favorite? Blue peep, yellow peep, or the pink peep? Leave me a comment down below. Which one is your favorite? Wait, or do you like the bunny peeps better? Yay, I'm cheerful. Bunnies, go bunnies, go bunnies, yay! What do you think? Leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to Lucas TV. Because if you like toys, then you're like me. And if you're like me, then you love toys and plushes with marshmallow ones. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Hey guys, here are some of my other videos. And I know you're gonna love them. So go ahead and watch them.